Are you struggling every morning to pack a healthy and exciting lunchbox your kids will actually eat? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into 5 delicious South Indian lunchbox recipes that are not only nutritious but also fun, colorful, and kid-approved. From mini idlis to crispy dosas and comforting pongal, these meals are designed to keep your children energized, happy, and excited for lunchtime. Let's begin this flavorful journey. Every morning feels like a race against time. Between work, school, and responsibilities, packing a lunchbox becomes just another task. But what if that lunchbox could become something more? Something your child looks forward to, something that fuels their body and mind. Let's start with a classic, idlis, but with a fun twist. Instead of regular idlis, we make mini versions and add finely chopped vegetables like carrots, spinach, corn, and bell peppers directly into the batter. This not only adds color but also boosts nutrition without kids even noticing. Steam them for about 8 to 10 minutes, and you'll have soft, fluffy, bite-sized idlis perfect for little hands. Pair them with a mild coconut chutney for a creamy, slightly tangy taste. And here's the secret, make them fun. Use shapes, skewers, or creative arrangements. When food looks exciting, kids are naturally drawn to it. Next up is vegetable uttapam, a soft pancake with a crispy base. What makes this special is customization. Let kids choose their toppings, bell peppers, carrots, corn, even a little cheese. When they're involved, they're more likely to enjoy the meal. Cook the batter slightly thick, add toppings, and let it turn golden and crisp. Cut it into triangle slices, easy to hold and perfect for dipping. Serve it with a mild tomato-based sauce. It's familiar, slightly tangy, and perfect for young taste buds. Now let's move to something rich in protein, lentil dosa. Made from a fermented batter, it's not only flavorful but also easier to digest and more nutritious. Spread it thin on a hot pan to get that perfect crispy texture. Add a mild potato filling inside to make it more satisfying and kid-friendly. Roll it up for easy handling, and pair it with a coconut coriander chutney for a fresh, balanced taste. It's light, filling, and keeps kids energized for longer. Veggie pulao is a complete meal that's both colorful and nutritious. Use a mix of vegetables like carrots, peas, beans, and corn to create a vibrant, rainbow effect that instantly attracts kids. Cook it with mild spices like cumin and cinnamon to enhance flavor without making it too strong. Pair it with a simple raita to add a cooling balance. Keep the portions small and the rice fluffy so it's easy for kids to eat. It's simple, wholesome, and perfect for lunchboxes. Pongal is comfort food at its best, soft, warm, and easy to eat. It's made with rice and lentils cooked to a creamy consistency, making it perfect for children. Add roasted cashews for crunch and raisins for a touch of sweetness. Balance it with mild spices and a little jaggery for that sweet and savory flavor. Serve it with a light sambar to complete the meal. It's nourishing, gentle, and incredibly satisfying. Here are a few quick tips to make lunchbox prep easier. Keep spice levels mild, kids prefer gentle flavors. Use insulated lunchboxes to maintain freshness and temperature. Prepare ingredients like batter and vegetables the night before to save time in the morning. For younger children, keep textures soft and portions small. With just a little planning, you can make healthy meals simple and stress-free. Preparing healthy meals isn't always easy, especially with busy schedules. Many parents do their best with limited time, and that's completely understandable. That's why simple, practical recipes like these can make a real difference. Small changes can improve a child's nutrition, energy, and focus. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For complete details, visit our blog, the link is in the description. Let's make every lunchbox healthier and happier. Before we end, I want to share something personal. Many children go to school with very basic or poorly packed meals, not because parents don't care, but because life gets overwhelming. Balancing work, home, and parenting is not easy. And that's exactly why content like this exists, to make things just a little easier. Even small changes in what we pack can make a big difference in a child's health, focus, and happiness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for complete details, recipes, and step-by-step guides, visit our blog, the link is available in the description. Let's make every lunchbox a moment of care, nutrition, and love.